It is I, Birdy. I am, thank the Lord, very cunning. Most girls are, though we're not given due credit for it. My truest passions are avoiding my chores, critiquing my father's horrible swordplay,
Mind my flowers! No.
and listening through doors I should not listen through. But my time is here. I ripen like a peach for plucking.
You're my only daughter, and if I say that you shall be married, then married you shall be.
Playing someone like Catherine, who's known as Birdy, is so different from my character in Game of Thrones. Birdy's a girl who doesn't fit into the constructs of her time, and her father is in a lot of debt, so he's trying to marry her off, but he doesn't get very far because she's too cunning.
Where is the Lady Catherine?
I've come here to propose marriage.
She's a vile creature, all teeth and hair and vomit and snot. Birdy is a feminist trapped in medieval times.
I'm not interested in meeting him nor any man with his intention.
She's a rebel. She's fearless. She just wants to be free.
You have wings. You must learn how to harness them.
Lena, Dunham's writing and directing brings such a fresh perspective to this incredible character, which makes it really relatable, because all of these things are still really relevant now.
She has a third ear.
She does.
Where?
Back of her neck. There is a lot of humour in this film, and the jokes are timeless.
Meg, I thought a virgin was where God made you pregnant.
Oh, no, that was only that one virgin.
Audiences will love Birdy.
If I were to marry him,
If I would like to
love someone.
It's really important that there are stories like this for girls to actually see the really good female character, to know they're seen and heard and can have a voice.
So you best be off.
Thank you, actually. You're very dashing. You, on the other hand, have been a little churlish, if I may say so.
Thank you very much, sir.